Good afternoon, I'm coming to you from Winn-Dixie. Probably wondering, what the heck is the Primetime Travelers doing at Winn-Dixie? Well, there was a flavor of Mountain Dew we wanted to try. We hadn't been able to find it anywhere, so I actually looked on Mountain Dew's website, saw that this Winn-Dixie where we were at had one, and I found it. So this is Mountain Dew Baja Caribbean Splash. We're gonna pop this thing open, give it a try. Come along with us, let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
So check out this bottle. It says, enter for a chance to win a $500 Taco Bell gift card. Ooh, yum.
Is that a list? Oh, it's a frog on the guava. Oh, I see it. Do you see the frog?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought I was going crazy.
And then it says Caribbean Splash. Man, every video I do, there's somebody driving by in a noisy car. It says Dew with a blast of natural and artificial guava flavor.
I'm so excited about this
Here
one.
looks
I
like,
love guava.
a little fishy guy there.
I love
And there's is that a guava?
Oh, that's like one of those puffer fish, right?
Gosh, when I drink this, I'm gonna pucker up. I don't want to show you the calories. There's too much sugar and calories in this.
For reviews, there are no calories.
Oh, in that case, I got a few more spots we need to go hit. Donuts! Alright. That was depressing.
Yeah.
Not much fizz sound. Oh my god, this thing smells like guava right away. You know what this smells like?
I'm so excited.
You know what this smells like?
What?
The Welch's fruit snacks.
That you don't like?
No, I buy them all the time, and I get the tropical one, which is funny because I don't really like tropical fruit that much, but I get that one all the time because I like the flavor of those fruit snacks. And this smells like that. All right, so once again, we stayed at a Hampton Inn. So guess what we got? Oh yes, I do declare. We got our mustache cups from Hampton Inn. A little pouring action here. All right, let me, bottoms up, let me give this a try. This tastes like my fruit snacks. It tastes like the Welch's tropical fruit snacks. It's exactly what this tastes like. Definitely tastes like guava. Maybe I like guava more than I thought. The actual fruit itself, just eating it raw, not a huge fan of. But the fruit snacks, maybe it's the fact that it's artificial guava. Maybe I like artificial fake guava, not the real stuff. Anyway. This is actually quite good. It's refreshing too. Yeah.
It smells like guava.
Yeah?
I don't really remember what guava tastes like.
Oh, be still my heart. I failed as a mother.
It's really good though.
Oh, okay, well that's what guava tastes like, hopefully. I haven't tried it, so who am I to say? Alright, so you like it?
And I like the pink.
The pink is pretty, right? I agree, that's a pretty color. It's a guava color. I love guava, 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 guava. I'm excited about trying this guava. Okay, my turn.
What cup do you have?
I have what? The fancy mustache.
Oh, you look like you're somebody trying to get away with something.
Alright, alright, let me try it.
Oh no.
I don't taste the guava.
You don't taste it? You don't smell
I
it?
taste something, but it... Yeah, there it is. I smell the guava. Yeah, it smells like guava. And the aftertaste, I guess, is guava? It's not bad. It's just, I don't know, all these artificial drinks and stuff like that, I really, like, I never really end up loving them. Which one did we like? The Pepsi pineapple? That was really
Yeah, that
good.
was really good. The
That
one
felt
that's at
like it
Little
was
Caesars.
pure apple juice, pineapple juice in Pepsi, so I really like that. And it ended up being that way. It was like pineapple juice. So it's not like this where it's artificial flavoring. And I think I can taste that or something, the artificial flavors, because it never tastes quite right. But it's tasty. I guess I would try it again in somewhere if I had to. But not my favorite. Oh, disappointed. Okay.
We kind of had mixed reviews on this. The one person in the group that loves guava didn't actually like it as much. Like I said, maybe we just like fake guava. That's what we're sticking with. That's what we're going with going forward. All right, if you like our video, we've done a lot of other soda reviews on our channel. go and check those out if you'd like to. There's going to be a playlist at the end of this with all of our PrimeEats videos, which is all the different food places we've eaten at, local places, places while we've been traveling out of state. Never know what's going to pop up on there, because sometimes we'll just pull out the camera and record something while we're eating. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried this Baja Caribbean Splash? What did you guys think of it? To me, I would go and get this one again. I would drink this again. A lot of times these flavored Mountain Dews that aren't the original or the Code Red, I'm usually not a big fan of. It's like taste them, one and done, make a video, move on. This one I would actually go and buy again. I enjoyed this one a lot. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good drinks, good eats, safe travels. We'll see you soon.